suspension, Fat Boy. I got aftermarket rims. I got Vance and Hines exhaust. I have a custom paint job, aftermarket seat, aftermarket hand grips, derby cover, and custom seat. Let's see. It's custom.
CJ here at Tobacco Road Harley-Davidson. Just want to show you guys my 2023 Road Glide Standard. Did the Clockworks, got the Bassani Short Road Rage Ripper. Did the Olin's piggyback suspension on the rear. Get a little bit better in those corners. And then Lucky Dave's and a set of T-bars. That'll do it.
I'm Tyrone, and this is my 2021 Road Glide. Ooh. This is one of the loudest bikes you're going to see out here. Not because of the pipes, but I'll show you why. Come check it out. PRV speakers, 8-inch lower speakers. Alright. Subwoofers. And enough amps to push them all out.
What's up, guys? It's HD Bill over at Tobacco Road. This is my latest baby right here. The 117-2023 Harley-Davidson Breakout. I added the Bassani sweep exhaust on it, power torque cams on it, of course the Harley-Davidson new tuner on it. And then on this side over here, I relocated the bracket, license tag bracket, so it opened up the whole rear wheel. And this year they opened it, they went back to the big tank. I also did the chrome drop down to set it off a little bit. And this is my new chopper.
What's up, y'all? I'm Wild Tobacco Road. This is my 22 Heritage. I got the KST 14 inches on there, flipped the mirrors, and I also did some Samson fishtails and a Saddleman step-up seat. Ooh, look at that.
Jeremy Hitchton, 2020 Lowrider S. It's custom paint by Shiny Side Paints. We're back with the 131 motor in it with the HPI pipe on it. Olin suspension. We did kind of the FXR style on it with JD Fab stuff, roadster wheels. Kind of give it that one-off look on it.